We're gonna drown. Oh, that was close.
Oh, there's a few more drown. Get out of there. Get out of there, Tridents. Go, get out. Get out, Skizz, run.
I can't get out.
Run, get in the boat. Get in the boat. Skizz, get in the boat.
I broke my boat.
Why'd you break your boat? I'm coming through. Skizz, get in the boat. Oh, Skizz, get in the boat now. Did you get in the boat?
I can't get in. Why can't I get in?
Skizz.
Get over here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get in the butt.
Go. Oh my goodness.
What do you want from me? Right click wasn't working. Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Dang it.
What was that?
Fair. Okay, here's what happened. Are you going to let me tell you? Because I'm going to eat my apple now.
Oh my goodness.
Should I eat it?
Yeah, you're eating it.
I'm going to eat it. All right, let me explain what happened. Okay, let me explain myself.
I can't wait.
I went down there, I put down a door, I got in there. The second I started to get a little bit of air, you're all, get out of there! So I left. And I left my doors back there. So I left, okay? And then I came up to my butt, and I right-clicked like 1,000 times. He would not go in the butt, and I just kept getting lit up by the trident.
Then you broke your boat?
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. But I do.
Don't be in panic.
I'm really sorry.